Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Just open it up. There's a little strut here that keeps the glove box from dropping too far and too fast. You're going to push in to pop it off, just like that. Then you can take the two sides of the glove box and just push them in gently. It will fold down. You may want to take your whatever's in your glove box out because it's going to fall right down. You need a panel. There's a panel right here with a couple arrows and some tabs. Cabin filter is located in here. Gonna push in these locks, pull it straight out. This one's pretty dirty. Fill with all the stuff it catches so it doesn't go into your blower motor. Here's our original cabin air filter with the tray from our vehicle. Here's the brand new replacement filter from 1AAuto.com. It's an exact match. It'll fit perfectly. It's marked with direction of flow. Just like the front of this is marked with the direction of flow. Simply lift this out of the tray, throw it away. It's this direction of flow. I want to put it in the same direction with the pleats. So there's little tabs here on the edges. We'll slide it in just like that. This will fit in our vehicle perfectly. Keep our blower motor from getting filled with outside debris. Reinstall, we'll just slide the tray right back into the heater box. Clicks and it locks into place. Push the glove box back up. I'm going to attach this little strut part. You might have to push the glove box up just a little more. Glove box might even lock into place. So we'll just push this forward. So that's a little strut so when you open it, it doesn't slam down. Replace all your stuff in your glove box. The cabin filter's changed.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.